In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to count colored cells in Google Sheets. If you've ever color-coded a sheet and then realized you need a quick count of, say, all the green rows, this is for you. Google Sheets doesn't offer a built-in formula to count by fill color, but there's a super fast, reliable workaround that takes just a few seconds and doesn't require any scripts or complex functions. Start by turning on a filter. Go to the Data menu and choose Create a Filter. You'll see little filter icons appear at the top of your columns. Click the filter icon in the column that actually holds your color coding. This matters because Google Sheets will filter entire rows based on the color in that specific column. In the drop-down, hover over Filter by Color, then choose the color you want to count, like green. Instantly, your sheet narrows down to show only the rows where that column has the selected fill color. This makes your colored data easy to isolate without changing anything else in the sheet. With those rows visible, highlight the cells you want to count in that same column. Just click the first visible cell in the filtered column and drag down to the last visible one. As soon as you make that selection, look to the bottom right corner of your screen. Google Sheets automatically displays a summary, and you'll see the count for your selection. That number is your total. It's quick, it's accurate, and it saves you from building complicated workarounds. A quick note on what you're seeing there. The count reflects the number of selected cells in your highlighted range. Because you filtered by color first, those visible cells represent exactly the colored entries you care about. This approach works great when you've been consistent with your highlighting and you're using fill color rather than text color. Here's a pro tip when you don't want to hide any rows. Use Sort by Color instead. From that same filter icon, choose Sort by Color and pick the color you want to group. Sheets brings all the matching colored cells to the top of the column while keeping everything visible below. That way, you can select the entire block of colored cells in one go and read the count in the bottom right, just like before. It's perfect for keeping your full dataset on screen while still getting an instant total. And that's it. Filter or sort by color, highlight, and read the count. It's the fastest way to find how many colored cells you have in Google Sheets.